day. I am Dr. Phuthi Sipuru and I'm a lecturer in classical music and jazz studies in the School of the Arts. Today I will be touching on some frequently asked questions that potential students or parents may have about our Bachelor of Music or Bachelor of Music Extended Program degrees. A frequently asked question is, what are the requirements for a student who may want to study BMUS or the BMUS Extended Program? For the BMUS Extended Program, you need a grade 7 practical level and a grade 5 theory level. For the BMUS Extended Program, you need a grade 5 practical level and a grade 3 theory level, or a comparable standard. Ultimately, we decide at the audition whether you qualify to study music at the University of Pretoria. Therefore, you may not possess these qualifications, but if you are at the right level, the audition will determine your eligibility. What is the difference between the classical and jazz studies program? Fundamentally, the first and second years are the same for both students, but the streams and eventual outcomes and specializations are different. Students receive the same training, however, there are streams to deal with the varying practical needs. The practical component is what distinguishes the two, with ensemble and improvisation classes being compulsory for our jazz majors. Do you have to play a second instrument? From 2021, a second instrument will be compulsory. However, do not worry, do not fret. If you do not have a second instrument, we've put a plan in place where you can begin at an entry level. Can you take one instrument classical and have another instrument as a jazz instrument? Yes, that is possible. So for example, you can take classical piano and jazz piano, or jazz piano and classical singing. We do have those options available. A question that is sometimes asked is, do I have to play an instrument if I want to specialize in music tech? We are working on a future plan where we will revisit the requirements for the stream. However, for now, you do need to play an instrument. What if I want to learn songwriting? Will I be able to major in it or graduate with songwriting as a stream on its own? Songwriting is built into the creative or composition stream for both the classical and jazz studies programs. If you specialize in composition in the 3rd and 4th year, we can tailor-make the program based on your needs. What are the ensembles that are available for potential students? We have the University of Pretoria Symphony Orchestra, UPSO, UP Symphonic Winds, and participation in these ensembles is compulsory if you do play an instrument. Other ensembles that are lodged in the School of the Arts include the UP Camerata, UP Ovua, the UP Brass Band, the Onderstepoort Community Choir, and the newly formed UP Women's Chorale. We also have compulsory departmental ensembles that take place every Thursday for 2 hours. These include jazz vocal ensembles, instrumental ensembles, and a choir. If you do not play an instrument, you will have to take part in the choir. For those of you who may want to pursue a music therapy degree at a master's level, it is important to know that you need to take psychology as an elective module during your undergraduate degree, and you need to take this for 3 years. This is compulsory if you want to pursue a master's in music therapy. A question that we often get from parents and students is, what employment opportunities are available for an individual who possesses a Bachelor of Music degree? There are numerous opportunities in the education sector, performing arts, music technology, arts therapies, musicology, creative arts, and a combination of these. The School of the Arts creates cross-disciplinary opportunities depending on how the individual modules are structured in the final year. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our administrative coordinator or project coordinator, Dr. Marinda Marais, at marinda.marais@up.ac.za, or our departmental administrator, Mrs. Dorothy van der Westhuizen, at dorothy.van der Westhuizen@up.ac.za.